Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are resonating with the reading. So it's full moon, so let's see what I can do a reading for this full moon and give you certain tips for the full moon. So let's begin. How is your day today on the full moon? The first card is Four of Pentacles. I really love this card because sometimes these cards talk the real us, or maybe gives us an insight of what we are going through. Now if you see here, maybe some of you are feeling stuck and you feel that this money is stuck in someone else's hands and you're not getting the money you're supposed to get. This is for some, and for some, whatever money had come has been spent and you're worrying now how to run the whole month ahead. This is what overall I look at this card as: a worry, financial worry, not understanding how to go about it and what to do about it. That's how I see the cards as. So if I take the next card, it's a beautiful card, Nine of Cups. You are just trying to see how to work with it, and I see this as a divine connect, a sort of working on your inner mind, working on your intuition as to what has to be done and how to come out of this financial mess. What all things you can move around, or you can work towards, so that you come out of the financial mess. So if you want a way of how to come out of this financial mess, then I think this is the answer. Now this is the Queen of Wands. Work more, focus more on your work, focus more on your career, see what you need to do. You are seeing one part of the work where money is coming and you are missing on the other part of the work where you can make more money. That is what I feel in the cards. So maybe concentrate on the various factors of money, and I'm sure your day will go good today. So this is for the day. I just kept my other cards. Let's just pick one card for how is your coming full moon from today till the upcoming full moon. It's a beautiful card, a lot of abundance on your way. And if you see, Goddess Lakshmi is there to just bless you, and she is telling you that this year, or this month specifically, I think this is the last full moon of this year. So she is telling you that she's coming on her with her elephants to your place with loads and loads of abundance. I want to give 2-3 tips here because it's full moon. Today night after 6 o'clock, what you can do is, if you have rose quartz, pick up 2 rose quartz crystals, one for you and one for your partner. And you can take a small red color cloth, and you can put this rose quartz crystals in that cloth, and you can tie it and you hang it in the southwest corner of your bedroom. That will cleanse the energies and that will bring in beautiful changes in your relationship. In the evening today after 6 o'clock, I always suggest to hear Shri Suktam, if you all have been following my live videos and my tips. So today after 6 o'clock, what you can do is take 3 clay lamps. One clay lamp, if you can paint it with green paint, you get these children's, what they use, the watercolors, even that you can use. Or what you can do is, food color is there, you can mix the food color, green food color, in water, and you can dip this clay lamp and you can dry it for some time. So one in green, one in gold, and one in yellow and one in red. Now in the green you will put the sesame oil or the gingerly oil, okay. In the yellow you will put the ghee, and in the red you will put the coconut oil. And you will burn these 3 diyas after 6 o'clock today, and you will put on the Shri Suktam and you will hear it, so that she comes and blesses your home with loads and loads of abundance, and she gives you all the prosperity that you want for the upcoming 2023. Let the 2023 bring in loads and loads of abundance. And today being a Wednesday, it is basically a day where you can work towards your business success, you can work towards your abundance. So what you can also do is, you can take a small mix of cinnamon powder, star anise, and elaichi, and you can burn that in your camphor and show the smoke around your house when you are burning these 3 clay lamps. And I'm sure Goddess Lakshmi is going to bless you all with loads and loads of abundance. I hope you all have a blessed day ahead, and may the upcoming year bring in loads of blessings to you all. Blessed be.